Hello lovely viewers, you're welcome to Befeshow. Thank you once again for joining me, Kina Befe, on today's episode. Today I'll be talking about red onions. We all know red onions. You can get it in your local market, in your grocery store. In the outer look of red onions, that's the skin. It has this red purplish skin, paper-like skin. I think you can hear it here. Look at the back of this. Yeah. And this is how the inside looks like. Now let's talk about the onion in details. Onion generally belongs to the allium family, as we all know. And this red onion is known to have low life cooking span or low cooking lifespan. Okay, so you don't cook this onion for a long period of time, unlike the brown onions where you can cook for a long period of time. This onion contains low amounts of sulfur. Though the aroma is there, it has a very good aroma, but it's not as hot, or sorry, it's not as high as the brown onions. Okay, so this onion is best used for non-cooked foods like your salad, your sandwich. You can equally use it to garnish your meal, especially because of the color. Okay, and it's not that harsh, so you can chew it raw. So now let's talk about the benefits of this red onion, or the benefits of consuming this red onion. Red onion is rich in chromium, and chromium helps to reduce the blood sugar level. That's to say, it helps to reduce sugar in our blood. Okay, it has a very important antioxidant called the glutathione, and we know that antioxidants helps the body fight against the occurrence of cancer and any heart-related issue. This onion is also rich in building the health of our brain. Okay, it helps our brain be in good health. So you can see that consuming this onion can add a whole lot of things. So you can chew it raw. You can add it to your meat. Let me say, if you fried your meat or something like that, you can just add it to it and chew it. You can use it to garnish your rice after preparing your food and eat it. You can eat it raw. It's not that harsh. So just tell me what you normally use this red onion to do. Write down in the comment section, because you know we are all about learning from each other. That is what Befeshow is all about. Thank you so much for joining me today on Befeshow. Until we meet next time, remain blessed. Bye bye.